Morning, YouTube. Beautiful morning out this morning. See the sky. Caleb is getting the straw blower this morning, and I'm getting some equipment hooked up. We're gonna put a yard in today. So I'm gonna hook up this excavator here, right behind me, and drag it to the job. And truck should be there with the first load of dirt. And we're gonna knock this lawn out. So come along for the ride. Turn the brakes up. This trailer likes to run at about 9. Put my seatbelt on. Safety first, folks. Safety first. Exhaust brake. Tow haul. Let's get to this job. Wow, got the first load delivered. We're gonna cut a swale down through here. There's a little one started, but it's not quite good enough. So we're gonna cut that down through there. We're gonna just go ahead and bury the, I don't know if you can quite see it. Internet line is still laying out on the ground. So we're just gonna bury that for the wonderful people at Spectrum, since they haven't come yet and we need to get our yard in. Got pulled around here. We're gonna get this thing unloaded. Okay, as you can see, water's laid in here a little bit, so we're going to define this swale just a little bit more, make sure there's enough fall in it so the water runs around the house and not down into the house. So guys, just about got her all spread. Working on the last little bit of raking and spreading. Turned out real nice. I don't know if you can see it if the camera picks it up. Got that swale all cut in there real nice. Should have no issues with puddling there. Got all this smoothed down. Walk you around the side of the house. Blended that down into the neighbors. Graded up around the septic tank. We've got those downspout adapters off, or downspout extensions, excuse me. And we're going to cut those. They were a little bit lower and we had to raise the grade, so cut them up a little and then reattach them. So Caleb's just pushing some junk off. And we're gonna seed this down and straw it. Putting down the starter fertilizer. This will help jumpstart the growth. And putting down the seed. Morning, folks. It's a beautiful Saturday morning here in Northeast Ohio. This is the next day. We got that yard finished up and a big hurry yesterday, and then we had to go finish some other jobs up. So didn't get a chance to show the rest of the project. Here's the finished product. All graded out, seed, starter fertilizer, and straw. So Being this late in the season, it's first part of November, we went a little heavy on the straw, just give the seed a little more insulation for those cold mornings. But yeah, thought it turned out real nice. So yep, there's another yard in the books.